All right, y'all, so we kind of set up a little bit. I could not like really film the other days, like probably like over the weekend and stuff. I might put in there because we did an event, but I was so busy that I could not really film. So but this is what we have completed so far. I kind of had to set it up in this way because we still have orders coming out. Girl has to pay the rent because rent is almost double. So I still have to continue the operation. But I just wanted to show y'all. I kind of set up my desk over here and I'm just in love with the lighting. Like, I'm a person who loves natural sunlight and I just love it. It's super cute. I know like some people are like, oh, this view is whatever. But for me, coming from a room with windows that were blocked by another building is everything. So I appreciate any little progress. But I'm just here like testing out colors and stuff because, you know, we changed the color to pink, like our branding color. Yes, yellow is still in the logo, but we kind of changed it to pink. So I was here playing around with stuff. It's not done right, but I was just playing around with it. This is the color that they had before, prior. And this is a color that I have. They're right over here. It's all over here. So I was just playing around with it, but we'll figure that out soon. And then I kind of did this here, and the lighting sucks. With like the real light sucks. So I'm gonna change that. But I did this wallpaper here. You guys tell me what you think. Of course, I'm gonna wipe the wall off a little bit, and then like the tape from it got on there, so I have to wipe that off. But I feel like this is super cute. I feel like it brings some into the room because I kind of hate this thing right here, but ain't nothing I could do about it. They're gonna touch up the paint because we had like a tattoo. In here was like a tattoo parlor, you should say. And yeah, we're gonna touch that up. Over this area is gonna be like my photo op area. We were thinking to knock this out. Okay, shit, I almost killed myself. We were thinking to knock this out, but I'm thinking it should stay. We're gonna change this here, but we got a lot to show you. So as time goes by, progress, you know, comes around, and I will keep you guys updated with what we got going on. And your girl looks a hot mess, of course. My hair is just like, girl, but you know, it is what it is. But I just came in to kind of like do the orders that we do have, do these orders, just because I'm gonna have help in a few with putting up this backdrop that we have, and then changing out the lights, because these lights, it's not bright enough for me. It makes me feel like I'm in a psych ward, or if I'm in jail, like, you know, that dim lighting. I don't like it. So I'm getting a call. What's 38? Oh, tonight. Hold on, y'all. That was my daughter. So I'm just gonna work on these orders before the person comes to help me, and just try to get this stuff out of the way. I don't want to really be too much in his way, so I want to just get these done real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. But I said that I'm gonna show up, and I'm here, and I'm trying to be consistent within all of this. So y'all gotta give me credit. Make sure that you guys are following. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. Be sure to follow us over on TikTok, because we need our followers to go up. We're under 1,000, so I can't really go live over there, and you guys are gonna love it over there. So just follow us over there. Laura Body Treats, B as in boy, T as in Tom, S as in Sam. You can also follow my personal page, Moya Loves. Shoot, I'll leave it down below. I don't even really know. I forgot it. But I'm gonna get some work done and come back to you guys. So we went to Home Depot, picked up this light that I want to put right in the middle here. So we're gonna see how this goes. It turns out to be almost there. This went up and the lights. I just purchased this from Amazon. So this one is the cream color velvet curtain that I'm gonna hang up right here. So we got that track there, and I'm gonna hang this up. I do have a green one, but I think I'm gonna keep this one just because it goes better with everything else. So I'm gonna show y'all once it's done and finished.
Tape?
Tape.
Okay, so
They need to be taped closed. So once she weigh them, tape it.
1.28.
Which one? Oh, she did this one. So y'all, I got my nieces, my niece, my nephew, and my daughter packing the orders. Is the glow kit? Is glow? Sensitive is milk and honey. All right, what you want?
I want to check if this is this. Thank you.
What kind?
What else?
Luxury 8-ounce, rich and bougie.
Rich and bougie. So we're just gonna, I'll put this right here. Don't thing it off. Where is it? Where you needed it? Melanated coconut passion. Let me see.
You got 8 ounces. I need this.
Which one do you want?
8 ounces.
It's the melanated. Just shake it up. Shake it up real good when you get over there so it can mix up. Alright, so you put that one right there. I guess you didn't need that extra because I put 2 right there. With the boxes now, y'all could just do the boxes. Tonight, show them how to do the boxes.
So you see?
Yeah, wait, don't put it on this table right here. You just, I need to come in.
It's like